Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog, the series where Jake and I document our adventures in Europe.
Will you drink coffee, tea, cola?
Oh, we must go soon.
Oh.
Kom to my house.
We are still in the Netherlands. It is our third day here. We're about to set off to Germany tomorrow, so we've just taken our motorhome for its first tonk, and we're using it as a chance to check out a few spots around Hoogeveen. I'm really stoked because the Mamiya 645 came along. Somehow, we have a shitload of equipment, but we made the journey. So we're going to load a roll of my favourite film, the Fuji 400 Pro H, into this guy, and we're going to show you some of the beautiful little houses and side streets of Hoogeveen. There we go, okay. I'm actually pretty happy with that. So it's about 6 p.m. and we've just pulled over off the main road where we're currently staying, where we've been the last 2 nights. Some beautiful houses running along the canal here. This particular abode in front of me, on the other side of the canal, is just very nice looking because it's kind of sitting by itself. There's not much around it. Here a few days, but this is already a scene for me that just sums up what we've seen. There's a lot of nice, simple looking arrangements, whether that be boats and canals or homes and trees, even the roads. This is just a lovely, nice thin road sitting behind a little blow boat. We can cut all that shit out. I'm gonna take the shot now. Guten Tag. Let's go finish this roll, baby. We are in Germany. Guten Tag means good morning. It's probably not morning anymore, but I don't know how to say good day or afternoon, so that's all you're gonna get for now. We are in a beautiful campsite. It was our first night in Germany last night, and it's almost like a little camping community. There's some unreal camper vans and locals who would be so worthy of a portrait, so we're going to go see if we can snap some local Germans or just their homes. This is unreal. We met Gordana last night. She was coming out of the shower, speaks no English. I wish I knew how to say beautiful in German. Gordana's actually from Serbia. Serbia, that's right. We met them last night and it was pitch black when we got here, and they helped us find power for the van.
Take, give.
Man, that was unreal. I honestly wish I had another roll on me right now so I could take like 4 snaps. Gordana and Ali. Oh, just lovely people. Like, the language barrier is very strong, as Jake and I discovered last night, but even with that language barrier, they're so welcoming, and they just wanted us to have coffee, but unfortunately we've got to get going, hit the road.
Give and take.